Oh!
Dude, that's so clean. Oh, welcome back to another RNTX YouTube video. We got Derek behind the camera. Today we have a new part for my car. We have new tail lights for the 86. Let's get started. Fucking barking all the time.
Shut the fuck up.
From HRS, Hirev Sports, that's the company. They have like three different. They have.
Bro, is this dog gonna shut up? Oh my god.
They have three different like versions that you can get of this taillight. By that I mean like color-wise. So I have the SBR, which means it's gonna be smoked, black housing with red lights. They also have CBW, which is clear. Like clear lens, black housing with white lights, and then CBR is clear lens, black housing, red lights. So, but I got the SBR just because it matches the most with my car, I think. Plus, my fourth brake light is also like SBR type look. Oh, let's see what's in the box.
Damn, they include a light?
License plate. Hey, Chris. Thank you for the license plate frame. But I think I gotta switch them out. Nice packaging. High quality packaging. Tail lights in here. We'll open these like soon. This whole thing. And then that's it. Open these up and see what's inside.
I swear, my taillights when they came in, they never were in this nice of packaging. Shout out to, what brand is this again?
HRS. Shout
out to HRS for the packaging. You guys are legit. Thumbs up. Able to change out this one eventually to smoke too?
There are different ones I could change out. Or I could just get an overlay.
Oh, that's right. You can do that too.
Before we install those, obviously, we gotta remove the old ones. So I'm gonna figure that out right now.
Ka-chow.
We got the bolts out. Should just kind of wiggle right out. And then we gotta just disconnect. I think this one. All of it should be full.
It was literally the quickest, like, what would you call it? Taking out the taillight. That was the quick, fast. The uninstallment. That was the quickest uninstallment of the taillights on any car I've ever seen. That literally took, I kid you not, like 10 seconds. My car, I have to go through, like pull off the paneling inside the actual trunk, like the lining in there, and then I gotta like take out some bolts. And it's like,
you say that, and then now this shit's gonna take like 10 years for me to take out.
This is the part that took me 2 seconds.
This fucking clip is so hard to get out. Ah, there it goes. I didn't want to rip the wires. Look how like much fucking shit falls into here.
Here's some extra horsepower right here, guys.
Now you remember when we had to clean the spats?
Yeah.
Clean this area, it gives you 10 more horsepower. So, once you get the old tail light out, I believe there is one piece that you gotta take off the old one to put on the new one, which is this bracket. That way you can bolt it back on the top right here. I'm pretty sure that's what that little tool they give you. Yeah, it's a little like, it's like a security like key where like nobody has this tool. But it's cool that they give you one, so you don't go find one or get one.
The tail light, you'll see these two screws here that you will need a security bit for, which is where this tool comes into play. So
Hard to see it, but inside of here, you see this little circle part? That's keeping Andrew from being able to put this in there. So loosen it up. Because it's literally just hitting that. And we have no clue how to get past that. Because the Allen key looking thing
Doesn't have a dimple.
it doesn't have a dimple in it. So Kevin Vo, how the fuck? Yeah, I literally jinxed this install. I pulled up and I was like, oh yeah, this is gonna take no more than like 20 minutes. I'm not even doing the work, but somebody please help. If anybody has changed out their taillights on the GR86, like, put it down in the comments below how you did this, cause something's just not adding up. You got one off, but he's working on the other one that is just not working.
2 hours later.
As you can see, we finally got all 4 screws out and the 2 brackets off. Only problem is we gotta put them back onto the new ones now. Let's do it. Finally got the 2 brackets on both new taillights. Time to install it on the car. I have the driver's side right now in my hand. What I gotta do is plug it into the OEM harness. Technically this is the OEM harness, this is the harness for my 4th brake light, but same thing basically. You're gonna just plug it in together. And then over here you have this wire. This is for the sequential lights, which we'll show you shortly after it's installed. If you don't like the sequentials, you could just unplug this and it'll just be regular turn signals. But sequentials are cool. Like, who doesn't like sequentials?
Yeah, who the fuck in their right mind would not use sequentials?
I'm gonna go ahead and plug this in, like so. And then kind of tuck the wiring in behind the back bumper. And I'll make sure we take off the plastic wrapping.
ASMR.
Wait, this is just like actually just saran wrap. Just the wrap right
It's
here.
literally just saran wrap.
Just like that. Editing Andrew again, and obviously in this clip there's no audio, and that's to our fault. We accidentally filmed in slow motion mode, so there was no audio picked up by the camera. But basically all we're saying is to comment down below what you think about the new taillights, and to subscribe to our channel because we have some big surprises coming soon for both of our cars, so keep an eye out for that. But yeah, this basically be the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed it, and let us know what you think. Once again, peace out.